And we are in front of the Burstner Habition based on the 4x4 version of the Mercedes Sprinter called the Habition Hmx 6.0. And well, what's actually true about this Campervan 4x4? Well, it's actual longitudinal bed that goes all the way down there, and I will be showing you that here. So it has the bathroom that slides out on that side, so you get much more room on that part of the bed when you slide out the actual washroom. So now we will get the demonstration done on how this looks. So you move it like in the front, and then you slide the complete bathroom in the front, and you get additional bedding space on the back. So you get a longitudinal bed on that side. And then, well, you can still take the shower because it has a clay sauna toilet and it's not a cassette toilet. So getting back to the Habition, this is how it looks inside when you don't have it folded. And if we go to the back, this is like not folded, but when you fold it, you will get the same distance down there. And well, probably the best situation is to enter the Hmx 6.0 so you can understand how this part folds, and then, well, you get the washroom more in front. And well, you have a towering fridge, standard burner stove, and standard Mercedes chassis. So getting another look on the back side. Well, it's pretty crowded, so we shall be finishing that by having a look on the Habition 6.0.